Asenibingelele sinemukele babukeli ehlelweni Young Climber. Bithi lami mina ngingimuzi ngingwandile ngokaHlatshwayo. Mbukeli njengenhlela yenda onke malanga Young Climber yahlupheka ngawe. Ikufunele bandvu labangakusita ikakhulu mawumuntu lomusha. Namhlanje nasibukile ukuthi njengaloku live libangise khona ku2022 lapho khona sithi nathi sifuna kuba ifirst world. Swabonile amaswati lamaningi ahamba yotheketela lwati kulamanye emave. Kunenqumbi emaswati lahambile atikhanza afunza kulela leTaiwan. Namhlanje sihambile safuna lijaha lesike salibona sita labaningi ukuthi bakhone nabo ku-applyela lama scholarships akhona baphinze bakhona nekuhlala khona lena lijaha lelihambela phinze lafika khona latikhanza lingu student rep lokusho ukuthi limelele bonke bafunzi labakhona kulela live ngalomnye umnyaka. Lona ngumkhazimlise wakaMasina. Lijaha leli leselihambile lafike lafunza lena labuya lasebenta lakhaya laphinze la apply futhi lathola lesinye scholarship sekuyakwenda imasters khona lena sithike asilibambe lisengakahambi litositshela ukuthi lentangani kwentiwa njani kuze utawufika lena injani impilo lena kudliwani kuhlalwa njani ukhona ke namhlanje Mkhazimulise Masina utasita ukuthi sithole lonke lelo lwati. Uyawati ke mbukeli ukuthi Young Climber ikhona lana njengaloku uyibona iphinze ibe khona ku YouTube njengaloku Eswatini TV sekasendela ukuthi kwabalula ukuthi noma ngabe lihlelo seliphelile siphinze sikhona ukuchubeka silibukele phinze sibe khona ke mbukeli lapha kubo Facebook kubo LinkedIn nakubo Instagram. Kanzi ke siyahamba futhi sikhona kufika nalapho umbukeli kakhulu umuntu lomusha akhona siyafika emasonweni siyafika etikolweni siyafika nje nasemangweni lapho khona kuhlangane bantu labasha. Hlala kanye nathi ke mbukeli namhlanje sisaxoxisana naye Mkhazimulise bakaMasina ehlelweni. Masina umuntu akabonge ukuthi ube kanye nathi ehlelweni. Mhlawumbe nje umuntu aseka for ukuthi umbukele akhona kusitakala thine nawe satana seseTaiwan kahle but mhlawumbe ungasifaka esithombeni ukuthi usuka kuphi kukhula kwakho nje ukhulele kuphi nawe tiganga lobodlala kito la kangwane bangaze bacanga kumbe vele indlela thiteni watikhanza utalelwa ngale maveni.
Well, siyabonga kakhulu Wara for having us. Kwecala ngaba ukuchaza ukuthi I did my primary kuMahlanya and then ngingase sengenda my secondary in my high school kaLobamba National.
Oh, okay. Now umbuzo lo lesiye sibe ne-interest nawo noma mhlambe bantu bemaswati labane interest nawo ukuthi sofika njani ke le maveni.
Yes, ngicabanga ukuthi yindzaba lenze vele kusho ukuthi from when I was still in high school, so the interest had been there ukuthi eventually I wish to go abroad given the exposure and ukuthi you are able to network and meet other students from even abroad. So okay, it took a couple of chances applying until finally I was admitted in one of the programs in Taiwan.
Mawuthi uthatha isikhathi wa-apply kuphi nje bangakuthatha wa-apply kuphi bangakuthatha lo muntu eva ngazi ukuthi nje mathe hayi nga-apply ngagcina ngithethe eva ngazi ukuthi uyasiyenga wena.
Well, for me ngicabanga ukuthi although bengasiko ukuthi abakangithathi but bekungukuthi you start the process and then due to lack of kuba mentored then you don't know how the process goes. Yes, so then this last chance kwaba khona lokuthi I attended a Young Climber Summit and then I met other young people who spoke of having been successful with the application and in turn my last try to finish the process really was when I got the funding.
Buka ke mina bengathi nokuthi weva letinanzi summit. Now Mkhazimulise siyakubona ngalenye ilanga lana so uyati avela ikakhulu emaswatini ngokuthi labafuna ke Taiwan ungabalekelela. yini into lo yokuthi khanze dishoda kulabantu umuntu athi ngifuna ke Taiwan bese uta kuwe uthi uyabuka ubone ukuthi uyathi ngiyadlala la kusuke kwendekeni usuke uboneni lele kwenda ucabanga ukuthi yini ngathi siyadlala la.
Well, that's a very good question, Wara. I think the first thing to aspiring young people would see they should first do their research when it comes to gufisa to go abroad. So young people most of the time they approach you, they haven't done anything. The person is blank, so basically stories like Arasati. So which then becomes a huge task on you because you are not just dealing with one person, you are dealing with a ton of other young people, and yet you are one person. So most of the time they don't do the research basically. Better go blank, which is a huge challenge.
Amaswati isikhathi lesiningi eva ngazi ukuthi hayi anginenzaba ngifuna kubuta umuntu mina. Uyithini lento ukuthi umuntu utathi hayi angayendi research phela ngiyenda ngalokubuta wena ngiyo le research yami. Ngifuna ukubona mani Masina lana ngiva bathi uyasitana le Taiwan kunjani mani sibonane endvodzi yakithi. Mase utile nawe uthi utawusita umuntu akubuta athi manje ku-apply kanjani. Uyithini ngoba yena uditshela ukuthi hayi phela le research yami ngilokuthi ngibude mina ngithanda kubuda umuntu. Ungayithini le ideology leyo kakhulu kubantu abasha?
Ngicabanga ukuthi Wara, yes, ikahle yona nawe uyibuka at face value, but then it also delays the process if umuntu atawuta angendi le research because it means if bekufanele siqale maybe good sasitawuqala trying to address lokuthi lo muntu siqale ekuqaleni. Yes, it is good vele ku consulta. We encourage young people to do that, but kakhulu ngingasho ukuthi young people should make use of social media. It is very advisable, so they can reach to us on Facebook, basibute, rather than wanting to maybe meet face to face, which we're trying to work on this. So the tools, the technology that is on our disposal, we can make use of it.
Okay. Bese ikhona any forum le niyakhile for nje mhlambe specifically kumbe for bafunzi labafuna noma abantu laba aspirisha kuya ikakhulu eTaiwan noma mhlambe bekusede ngizama lokuthi bani approach bani khanzani dzinwe.
That's a very good question, Wara. I think one of the things like Dzengavele City Buge as part of setting up the alumni society of Bafunzi Labafunzi Taiwan, just to be able to see if we are this big community, we can be able to plow back through mentoring those who are aspiring we are Taiwan. So at the moment we don't have that platform vele. Kubang lokuthi umfunzi wathi Mkhazimulise nje saka ngam approach or anyone who's been to Taiwan, but I think it's something that we still have to look into.
Now mhlambe singakayi khefini ngidawufuna singene nje kancane. Transition mawufika even lelifana mhlambe nakulela mawusuka uLswati yinje tindvo letiyefike tikhamsisa umlomo ukuthi awu kani kunje awu kani kwentiwa nje awu yena bakithi kudliwani kani la kukhona intindo letakhamsisa umlomo nawe wabona ukuthi hawu nembala umlomo yakhamsa sibili.
Ngicabanga ukuthi it goes without saying yes tikhona vele le timvo because you are from a different culture and you are trying to assimilate into a foreign culture to you and it's your first time. So yes, first of all, you have to get used to the language. You have to learn the language so that you can easily communicate with them. And second of all, the food as well. Ukuthi ube patient vele ukufunze kancane kancane. And ngenale ndlela yekuphila nje the site itself is technology, everything. So you want to take a bus, you want to do something, it's all tech. Timvo mhlambe tsine lesi set etona la kangwane. So that transition vele iyabita lokuthi you have to apply yourself a bit. Yes.
Now mawucabanga eTaiwan bantu labaningi mhlambe hayi ngekuchayisa lamanye amave nakwendela phasi lamanye inemave kunemave nje abantu labaye beve ngathi bayawafuna ukuthi awu ngeAmerica hawu ngeNgilandi wena mawuqhamuka uthi awu ngeMashayineni labanye beva ngathi hayi mina ngifuna keAmerica wena wakuthatha kanjani lokuthi uthi wena ujabulile mhlawumbe hawu ngeMashayineni lo muntu athi hawu bantu banhlalo nhlalo nekubuka kwabo mawufika kulabantu labangasi4 bowutikhanza udila nako kanjani dinet kanjani
ya ngumbuto lomuhle loyo wara ngicabanga ukuthi I have 2 points. The first one ukuthi kwekucala what I would say to the people ukuthi iTaiwan given ibhlobo lesinabo silive laseSwatini kakhulu vele siyakhona lokuthi thina siye khona sende ema programs cishe la align-ako to i-development yelive and then ke kwesibili ngikona lokuthi the standard of living it's quite affordable now comparison nemave from the west. Yes, lokuyi plus uma vele ufuna kuyofunza eTaiwan because you don't need to have a lot of money with the little you have ungakhona ukuthi ukhona ukuthi uyofunza khona eTaiwan.
Mbukeli njengaloku ayibeka Mkhazimulise lijaleli besishilo ukuthi lake laba ngu-student rep liyasho ke lelija ukuthi kufanele lena ufunze ulwimi lakhona kube njanyana sitawuva masibuya ekhefini kokuthi ngabe yena wafunza wafika phi ulwimi lalena akasishelo lokunqane kumbe sive ukuthi awu sishayina nembala sekukhona liswati leli ngasikhuluma kwanyalo mbukeli hlala kanye nathi sisathi shelele ekhefini. Asiphinde sikwemukele mbukeli ehlelweni Young Climber. Hlelana namhlanje noMkhazimulise Masina. Mkhazi besasho singakayi ekhefini ngokuthi uthi kuyakhulunywa le manje sifuna kuva ukuthi ngabe wena mnethu ukhulume wafika phi ungake usishelo yini umuqa nje noma singake sicoceni indzaba size siyawushobela lapha elikhalweni Solomon esibhunye ngesishayina noma nawe usha nje usabheka ngala usithi singasithela vele kulahle.
Kusho ukuthi yes we did had lithuba lekuthi sisifunze sishayina nasifika khona eTaiwan. It was part of the requirements of our scholarship. Yes, so it was mandatory. So maneke for us lesakhona ukufunza it's the basic Mandarin vele lesikhona ukuthi sikuside uma ufuna ke esitolo uma ufuna kuthatha ibhasi noma uma ulahlekile nje ufuna kubuta ema directions akusiso lesivele lesestile vele.
Awusothi nje fahla umuqa sike sive nathi ukuthi mawuvusela nje uthe sanibonani ninjani mina ngingumkhazimulise ngiqhamuka eSwatini live lelihle kakhulu kambe ungakusho yini nje lokho ngesishayina sive ukuthi awu nembala.
Kusho ukuthi ngingazama mhlawumbe
ase utame Masina sive
wo jiao Mkhazimulise wo Tonglai shiwa Chiland lokusho lokuthi ngingumkhazimulise ngisuka eSwatini.
Mbukeli njengaloku uva ke vele wotsyawo shiyatshilanga ngeva kahle but ke hayi uvile umbukeli labangakeva bayawubuyela ku YouTube bahlole ukuthi kwathiwa wotsyawo kuhamba kanjani. Sike sakubona Mkhazimulise uhleli na former president wakhona eTaiwan nihleli same panel bekwendekeni lamanye amaswati mhlambe latakubukela ku YouTube kumbe njengaloku eSwatini TV asendela tinto tibelula la kafisa na ukuthi awu nami ngalenye ilanga ngiyafisa kuhlala eceleni kwa president wona ungathi akente njani wenta njani wena.
Ngiyabonga Wara for the question. Kusho ukuthi the journey ayicalanga lapho mhlambe so we had a program in our university. La khona we participated in Model United Nations. lokusho ukuthi sasihamba siye khona eMelika
Okay.
siyofunza ngesystem yaka UN nema-organs aka UN nangemave affiliated with the United Nations.
Okay.
Lokusho ukuthi after coming back from that program kwaba lula for the school administration ukuthi singirecommende uma sekuthi mengameli ukuthi ngikhona ukuthi sivuselane naye based and judging on the experience I had in the US learning about the UN system and the international system of cooperation.
Lo model UN kuyinto lenjani ngiyacabanga nje ukuthi kumbe khona liswati lelinematubane lelingafuna kuyithatha nayo le idea ligijime nayo mhlawumbe umthi nje hlabahlosi umfake esithombeni ukuthi wo model UN yinvo lenje yendiwa kanje mayendiwa.
Ngomuntu lomuhle leyo wara kusho ukuthi in a nutshell singakuchaza nje sithi model UN yi-system lesebenzisana nebafunzi kuma colleges and universities la khona bafunza nge-system yaka UN. Lokusho ukuthi it's a model of the actual United Nations. As we know, the UN has different organs. So bafunzi from different universities bahlangana babe assigned to the different organs of the UN, which could be IMF, the General Assembly, World Trade Organization, kanjalo kanjalo.
Mawuthi kusebenta ngebafunzi kwemhlaba wonke kumbe kweTaiwan kumbe kwemave kuthide makwemhlaba wonke kumbe akukhupha yini nama ufika lena ukuthi madoda babo labaqhamuka kangwane singenta njani ukuthi laba kangwane nabo babe ingcenye yalo mkhambathi kuhamba lesandla sa model UN sihamba sinwebeke size sifike.
Well, model UN vele ngisho ukuthi ufaka wona umhlaba wonke lo kuyaye kwanzakale ukuthi mhlambe kuba i-barrier kuba i-funding. Mina nje ngiwaseswatini ngingafisa ukuthi mhlambe ngabe ngabona umfunzi lochamuka enyuvesi yakithi yaseswatini kodwa mhlambe ke ngenzaba yabo funding ukhanzakala ukuthi emavela amaningi noma ema-universities lamaningi aka-afford to send their students to this event, yet yona i-affiliation yayo vele it is global because it brings together entire universities from across the world.
Mhlambe asesiphindze sibuke lenye ihlangothi lakho nebafunzi lena ufika ngalenye ilanga soba ngu-student rep so umelele bonke bafunzi baletha tinkinga kuwe baletha tikhalo nguwe ubahlanganisa nambasada kuba yini tinkinga tebafunzi laba kulamanye emave sitawube sithathela kule tinkinga lowadibana nato wena kulaba labaseTaiwan sitawube sesiya generalize ukuthi kusho ukuthi nginati tinkinga bebakhala ngani nje isikhathi lesiningi yini lokuhlupha abafunzi emaveni.
Siyabonga Wara for that question. Kwekuqala lokhanzakala ukuthi kuhlupha abafunzi ngokona lokushintsha environment. So the first thing umfunzi usuka eSwatini une family yakubo unebangani and the next second they are in a new environment, completely new environment and they have to adjust. So that is the first challenge lokhanzakala ukuthi bafunzi labakhona eTaiwan baba naleyo challenge. Yesibili ke i-challenge kuba ngikhona lokuthi bafunzi ukhanza ukuthi labanye abekho on full scholarships lokhanzakala ukuthi uma bafika eTaiwan kuba mhlambe i-challenge loku-adjusta uma mhlambe ukhanza sibadinga i-support from ekhaya. Sineke lebesimele bafunzi siye sithathe leto dikhalo lokhanzakala ukuthi bafunzi banato sithi sonzete kuye lisiba naleyo embassy khona eTaiwan.
Kuke kwendeke umfunzi asukela ekhaya sishaye emaphathi samvalelisa sithi kungaphela umnyaka mhlawumbe sobuyile kumbe ngetizathu dingabadingingi kuye kube yini izathu letibuye sesekhanza ukuthi emathuba akho ekuhlala kulelo live sekuyawanciphisa from your experience nje ukhanza ukuthi lamave lesithi mhlawumbe sithekela ulati kiwo bese sekakhala ngani le bese seyenda ukuthi mhlawumbe lo munye umfunzi bese sekuthiwa cha kuhle uyawuchubeka ngekhaya mnetfulana cha akusake saqhubekeka.
Well sikhalo ngicathi mhlambe lesiyayisibe khona uyukhanze ukuthi labanye abafunzi baphola scholarship lesi performance based. That is the first challenge because if lama conditions ale scholarship athi on average kufanele uthole 80% per semester.
Mm.
That means the student vele from the onset they have to aim that high, they have to aim at 90 or 100 because should mhlambe ukhonzakala ukuthi akasakumeet lokho letinye vele tikola ukhanza ukuthi tiba very harsh umfundi seyangathi khanza mhlambe sekalahlekelwe scholarship asa decide akubuya ngasekhaya.
Okay.
Then ke mhlambe sizapho sesibili ngaba ngikona lokuthi ke umthetho wakhona vele cishe uqinile vele uma ngabe bafunzi mhlambe kukhona imitheshwana lokhanzakala ukuthi bayayiphula vele ukuprotecta i-image yelive laseSwatini uyokhanza ukuthi vele bafunzi mhlambe sebangabuyiseka ngasekhaya.
Ngicabanga ukuthi mbukeli uyeva lokuthi kuqinisa indzaba yekutiphatsa nekutimisela kuhamba wemaveni akusile holiday ukuthi soya kahalala soya uholida thina lana sicanga uyajabula but wena khumbula ukuthi solo sesikolweni solo kuyasetshenzwa. Mhlawumbe Mkhazimulise ngede ngathi emavakhe ekugcina ukhuthata abafunzi laba apply kumbe kuthi wanaki lamanye mave nalabanye laseba applyile mhlambe labalungisela kuhamba batopakshati khwama bayocala noma ngabe kunini lapho bacala khona ungathi nje mave khuthata.
Well kukhuthata awara kungaba ngikona lokuthi bafunzi they should trust the process, they have to be patient kwecala. Then kwesibili ngikona lokuthi they have to consult because vele this process for most of Maswati ukhanza ukuthi the process iba very tedious so you need the motivation, at least you need someone vele ukuthi aku-assist kule application process. So kungaba ngiloko ukuthi bafunzi yes yenze le process but patience does pay off and also consulting if you have any difficulties. Lokhanzakala ukuthi thine nje we volunteer kuloko ukuthi uma umfunzi they are having difficulties with the application process at least we are there kubasita ukuthi okay now ungenda kaso then kodwa ukhanzakala ukuthi uyachubeka.
Mbukeli ihamba kanjalo lenzaba sokhulumile lana student rep wakhuluma ngetingoni letiningi model United Nations nami ngiyafisa ukuthi ngalelinye ilanga kumbe nathi sibe nabo bafunzi esibathumelelako kulela leAmerica ukuthi bayomodela i-United Nations. Wabala nekuthi ke mawuhamba ufika lemaveni uyawufunza labanye siyati ukuthi vele umthwalo usebhokweni labanye basibukela vele sibavele basemaveni siyakhuthata si-young climber through live lakhe Mkhazimulise lana ukuthi kutiphatha akuqhubeke kuhambe empilo ungaphuli imithetho yelive ungaphuli imithetho yesikolo futhi ke lapho khona bakubekela tincabekelwane ukuthi ubophasa yenda njalo mbukeli phasa phela uyakwenda ukuthi nathi si-young climber nathi silive nathi sibatali bakho nathi sibomzala la ekhaya sikhona ukuthokota sisho ukuthi ngumzala wami loya ngumntwana wami loya liswati lela siyakholwa ukuthi mawenda njalo kuyawuba kuhle bawukubhala kahle emaphepheni ngokuthi sekukhona liswati lelende naku kwekuqala lamhlabeni kube ludumo sijabule nathi ukuthi nembala likhona liswati lelitendako tindvo ngaloko mbukeli bekuhle kube kanye nawe ehlelweni akube kuhle kube la tinhlelo etilandzelako inkosi ikubusise bye bye.